Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. First, you have to download the both application Binance and Bybit. First, you have to open the Binance application and then go to the Assets option and click on Add Funds. After that, click on Deposit Crypto and then select USDT and select your network. And then you have to verify your Binance first to get your address. After that, go to the Bybit application and then find Assets option in the bottom and click on Assets. And then click on Transfer and then select the USDT and then enter your amount and make sure before transferring money, your both application is verified first. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks.